Let me show you how to easily add design on the dress. First, take a quick selection tool and select the area you want to fill. I am taking the area of dress here. Press Ctrl+J. Now go to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and do the following settings. Now save this image. Insert the design image. Fit to the length of the subject. Then press Alt+click to clip this. Now go to Filter, then Distort, and then Displace. Do the setting as shown on the screen. This dialog box will open. You need to choose the file from here that you have just saved. Now choose Multiply. Then go to Blending Options and blend it until you are satisfied with the results. Here you can see the results. Thank you for watching it till the end.